Let's play my Barnyard match game. You can invite a grown-up to play too. Before we start, are you playing alone or with a grown-up? Terrific! I'm so excited to play a game with you. In this game, we'll take turns turning over cards and trying to match the animals. First, I'll flip over one card. This card? Chicken. Now I'll pick a second card. This card? Cow. Do these animals match? No, they're not the same. Okay, that's how you play. Now it's your turn. It's a surprise card. It's different from a matching card. It tells us to do something special and have some barnyard fun. Act it out. Pretend to pet a sheep's soft wool. Terrific. My turn. Duck. How about this card? Duck. Terrific. Those match. Now it's your turn. Pig. Frog. Do those match? No, they're not the same. Now it's my turn. Pig. I think we've seen a pig before. Do you remember where? Thanks. Pig. Do they match? Yes, they're the same. Now it's your turn. Cow. Cow. Do they match? Yes, they're the same. Okay, my turn. Ooh, it's a surprise card. What animal makes this sound? Neigh, neigh! Neigh! It's a horse. It's your turn, neighbor. Chicken. Chicken. Terrific, those match. My turn. Frog. This card? Frog. Do they match? Yes, they're the same. We did it. We found all the matching animals. It was fun playing with you. Oink, oink. Ribbit. Quack, quack. Nay. Buck, buck, buck. Moo.